Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese Datshi. This simple recipe brings the flavors of Bhutan right to your kitchen with minimal effort. You will need just a few key items to get started. Gather 200 grams of your favorite cheese like feta or farmer's cheese, 2 medium tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and a half cup of water. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get them ready for cooking. First, finely chop your 2 medium tomatoes and the 1 onion. Next, carefully slice the 2 green chilies into thin rounds. Remember to adjust the quantity based on your spice preference. Finally, crumble or dice your 200 grams of cheese. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. With your ingredients prepped, it is time to start cooking our delicious Datshi base. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, stir in the chopped tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes until they soften. Finally, add the sliced green chilies. We are almost there. To finish your cheese Datshi, pour in a half cup of water and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Now, add your crumbled cheese and stir it gently until it has completely melted into the sauce, creating a rich, creamy texture. Continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly. Serve your warm, flavorful cheese Datshi immediately with steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.